Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I want to do one on a company Binize and its wireless CarPlay Android Auto. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing here. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this open real quick. And there's really not a whole lot to this. Go ahead and open it. We have a quick instruction guide. Nothing there much. And we have the actual unit. Underneath, we have two different cords, USB A to C and USB C to C. So depending upon what you want to use. And on the end here we have a USB C. And that's it for the unboxing. So let's go over a little bit about the item. So it's compatible with OEM's CarPlay and Android Auto. This multimedia video box is only for cars with OEM wired CarPlay and Android Auto. USB Type-C plug and play. Add Android system to your car in a few seconds without dismantling the entire car stereo. Convert factory wired CarPlay and Android Auto to wireless connection. After the first successful connection, it can be automatically recognized. Get rid of the trouble of phone cords. Expand the original car's WinCE system into Android system. Has good performance with multiple function. Has 4 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of ROM, which guarantees the processing speed. Support adding different Android apps. Supports 4G internet, GPS signal receiving, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music, etc. It's a split screen operation, gives the chance to browse dual pages at the same time. So that's my video on the Binize wireless CarPlay Android multimedia video box. I hope you found my videos to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.